Hi everyone, it's Gail and I'm here with a bonus video. I wanted to get this done today. The September kit for the Mixed Media Minnesota on Etsy came yesterday, and these go on sale tomorrow in Mixed Media Minnesota. And so tomorrow's the 21st of August. So I wanted to show you this kit because, oh my gosh, it's Christmas. And not only is it Christmas, it's pink Christmas. so I am super excited because I love to do a little pink Christmas. So let me make sure you can see all of that pretty close anyway. Okay, so this is a Prima collection. It's the Christmas Sparkle collection. And as I say, this goes on sale tomorrow on Mixed Media Minnesota, and she only has 40 kits. So I wanted to let you know, you want to hop right over there if you want this this kit. So let's look at the papers first and then all the fun things that come with it. So this is this paper is called Icy Blue Christmas. It's got some fun snowflakes on the back. Oh, look how cute. This paper's called Christmas Greetings. It's got the little deer and angels. Blue paper with polka dots on the back. This one's called Pink Peppermint. It's got this little guy and Santa up in the corner. Oh, and then little pink nutcrackers on the back. Then this is Christmas Sweet. So it's all tags. You can see that it's all different tags, and then it's just got some stripies on the other side. This one's called Winter Sparkle. And got Santa and an angel. It's beautiful. And then the back is all sorts of vintagey. And then this one's Magic Holiday. Ornaments on the back. This one, December Carols. This one's got a little bit of shimmer to the silver that's in the background. And deer on this side. And then this one is Christmas Magic. Ooh, look at that with the Santas. Oof. That's going to be a difficult one to decide which side. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of the scrapbook paper in 12 by 12. But you also get the paper pad for Christmas Sparkle, and you know it's got 32 sheets in it, and so good. So I'll be able to figure out what to do with that other sheet, you know, because I didn't want to use either piece of it. Let's see if we can just kind of thumb through this. I'm sure they're like the big ones, but let's just see. Don't you love these things they put on paper pads? They're just like, oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, so yep, here's this one. There's that one with the blue background. The angel one. And what do you get with each one? You get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of each one is what you get. See, there's the one with the background that I loved. So that's happy. Yeah, so you get 4 of each of the ones that I just showed you in the 6 by 6 size. So that's in the kit. The other thing that's in the kit is these gorgeous flowers, Prima Flowers. And they are from the collection because you can see the patterned one is the Nutcracker pattern. So that's that. also you get ephemera. Let me show you kind of the ephemera pieces. If you can see, there's the angels and Santa and Christmas tree and things. So that's the ephemera pack. Then as well, you get glitter that goes with. It's blue, green, and really dusty pink. I mean, I was looking at it to see, is that silver? But no, it's the dusty pink. So 3 glitters, and this is really cool glitter. It's chunky kind of. It's awesome. In those cute little bottles, that's so fun. Okay, so then that, and then last but not least, you get these crepe paper ruffles in pink, blue, and white that also go with the collection. So that is the whole collection. Again, there are 40 of these kits. They go on sale September 21st. I don't know where 15 came from. But I have one more thing to show you from Mixed Media Minnesota. If I can get it out of the bag here. And this is their new digital. It's called Christmas Word Labels. And isn't that so much fun? All the Christmas words. Oh, that's so nice. And then this one with little Christmassy words. So this is a digital on Mixed Minnesota. It's not with this kit. This is a digital there on Mixed Media Minnesota. All the different words. Then bigger. So Christmas word labels is the kit you'll look for on Mixed Media Minnesota. So how fun is that? So thank you so much, Shannon. Like I say, guys, get yourselves over there tomorrow, 8/21. There's 40 of these available, and I don't know about you, but I love it. I love the, well, it's my colors. It's the pink and teal. It's what I really love to work with. So I'm excited about that. Yes, we'll be having ourselves a little play. So that's Mixed Media Minnesota. Wanted to share that. Okay, and then next we have another little bundle from Journey of Crafting, because I had myself a little purchase over there. I got some of her lace. Love these 2 laces. I go through them like they're water. And then this one is another one of their mini grab bag of doilies, and I love playing with those too. So had myself a little shop with that. I'm saving this bag that they came in. And then I got my little letter from, look at, that's from opening the bag. Whoopsie. Natasha. Let's see. She has more ephemera books available, and she's talking about this one that she sent earlier, you know, that has the labels and everything. It's just a lovely, lovely book. I haven't got myself organized yet in it. I'm excited to do so, though. Anyway, she sold out of those like right away after I showed them. But now she has these. It's a smaller version of the larger one. This one's 5.5 by 7.5, and the books are made with label strips added to the vellum pockets, so you can label what you have right there. And it also reinforces the vellum so it doesn't tear as well. So that's perfect. So let's see. She only has 5 of these available. She says she'll have 6 landscape ones, hopefully by the time this airs. As for the larger ephemera books. Several people messaged me and they sold out in 5 minutes of the airing of my video. She says, I have put up a pre-order listing. I changed the variation to ready to ship as they're made. So just so you know, if you want one of these bigger ones, yeah, she needs to have pre-order, and maybe this one too. I'm not clear on that, if it's just the big ones that are pre-order or if it's these ones too, but just let her know what you want and pre-order. Let's see. Oh, she supplied me with the cutoffs from this collection that she made this book out of. So that was fun. This is, what is it? Did she say? My Sweet by Prima. The full set is available on her shop for purchase. Full set includes flower packs for the collection. If you search My Sweet, you will find the collection. These are awesome. Let me show you. Let me show you a few of these. That's a pretty collection. I hadn't seen that collection. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, so she just kind of gave me some of the offcuts from making the book. And the other thing is she has, she just posted Welcome Autumn. It's a full set by Carta Bella, and she only has 5 of those. There's only a few days left on the Out with the Old sale. The sale runs through August 21st, which is tomorrow. So you better hop on there. You will get 30% off sections, scrapbook paper, and collections. The new 2021 summer collections are excluded from the sale. As always, my viewers get the special 20% off coupon. Doesn't expire and can use and reuse over and over. So that is most of, oh, she sent me some of this cool ribbon, this black ribbon, and a little Las Vegas coin and a little raffle ticket. So that was my thank you for my purchase. So I think that's all the news from Natasha at Journey of Crafting. So then I have one other fun little thing to show you. Let's see. Oh, okay. She says she's waiting to make the smaller ephemera book listings active. I will message her right after I do this and tell her that I'm downloading the video. So she makes the listing for these active. Okay. So that's Journey of Crafting. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. I put it up there. I forgot something in the mixed media kit. It's a snowflake paste from Finnabar, and it's awesome. I've worked with this before. So it's a dense white permanent paste which provides structural sparkly snow effect, works on most surfaces including canvas, wood, paper, metal, chipboard, fabric, plastic, etc. Can be painted with water-based paints, apply with palette knives or texture tools, water-based, archival, safe, and non-toxic. So you get that with your Christmas stuff too. So you need snowflake paste with Christmas journals. Okay, one more quick thing. My friend Laurette, bless her heart, she sent me a little birthday present, and I asked her for her permission to show it on camera because Laurette, she has a shop that is part of AJeweldDesign. Her section is called Vintage Paper Girl. And I just wanted to show her work because it's just so beautiful. Here's a little ATC that she made. Little pockets. She made these from a purple journal. So I'll be making another purple journal. See, look, it has gorgeous there. And this one. I mean, nobody layers like my pal Laurette. She just is the queen of layering, I always tell her. Little booklet with little journal cards in it. So, and then this piece is just awesome. It's got journaling cards, and look at this pretty tag in there. And then you open it up like this, and it's got a notebook here. And then it's got this little bag down here that's got another beautiful tag. And then back here, it's got a big tag. So you could journal on the back too. So I love that so much. Thank you, Laurette. And then I don't know that she's going to have, right now I don't think she has anything in her shop, but I just wanted to give you a peek at her work. And then she made me all these fun little things for storing. So I don't know if she's going to have these in her shop or not, but then the labels, and I'm not sure where those labels came from either. Laurette, if you watch this, will you tell people where you got these labels? Because I don't know. But they're super fun. This one has a magnet on the bottom. So, yeah. So anyway, thank you, Laurette, you sweetheart. And thanks, everybody, for watching. Thanks for your support of the Etsy shops. It sounds like there's quick shopping to be done, so you can get your cool things from Mixed Media Minnesota and Journey of Crafting. So have a grateful day, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.